Hi, I'm Maverick, a Build.com project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose a faucet for my home bar? Bar faucets, also known as prep faucets, are scaled down versions of a typical kitchen faucet. They're designed to be paired with smaller sinks found in wet bars and kitchen prep areas. And just like your kitchen faucet, these fixtures are available with a variety of features and come in styles and finishes to match your decor. We're here in Build.com's latest dining room set. And this dining area was designed with casual entertaining in mind, with a table positioned in front of the fireplace, extra seating on the hearth, and this fully outfitted wet bar. And besides looking great, this area is really functional. Wet bars are ideal for entertaining. You can quickly rinse glassware, barware, like cocktail shakers, bar spoons, knives, and other tools. And it's nice to have a water source near the action to clean up small messes. Bar faucets might be small by design, but they can provide all the benefits of their full-size counterparts. And just like a standard kitchen faucet, you'll have a few decisions to make when you choose your bar faucet, including installation type, style, and features. First, you'll need to choose the right installation type for your bar and sink. Most bar faucets are designed for one-hole installation, but some require 2 or 3 holes. Our faucet is paired with an undermount sink, and we have a single hole drilled into the countertop. Next, choose your style. Just like full-size kitchen faucets, bar or prep sink faucets come in a variety of designs and finishes. For this space, we chose the Brizo Arteso in a luxe gold finish. Finally, decide which features you want, like pull-down spray heads or touchless operation. We've got more great tips on choosing the perfect faucet for any space, including home bars, kitchens, and bathrooms. And to learn more, check out our buying guides by clicking the link below. And visit Build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.